Hi, what is up my fellow fitness freaks, and welcome to whomever else is watching. I'm Ivy. I usually do workout videos. This video is not going to be a workout video. It's going to be an unboxing video because I got myself a new camera so that I can shoot videos in 4K. Because at the moment I'm using my cell phone. It's a Huawei P30 Lite and the videos are pretty good, but I mean 4K would be way better. The camera I have here, it's a Sony Alpha 6400 or 6400 or 6400 or whatever you want to call it. You see it? It's a pretty good camera, and yeah, I'll watch a lot of videos to see which camera I should choose. And I chose this one because it's supposed to have like a really good autofocus. And since I'm always like shooting my videos alone and I'm doing workout far away from the camera and I cannot really see what I'm doing, or I cannot really see what the camera is shooting, I really need a good autofocus. So yeah, that's why I chose this camera. And also it was easy to choose because it's Sony and I really like Sony. And I'm still very sad that they discontinued the laptops, the Vaio. Well, so let's start the unboxing process. As you can see, I also got an SD card. Not that important at the moment, but just so you can see. It didn't come with the camera. No, it's extra. So where to open it? You see, it's the first unboxing video ever I'm doing, so yeah, I might fail. Okay, so there it is. Okay, what do we have here? A 1-year extended warranty card. Something to register. A guarantee document. Something about accessories. A lot of paper in there, huh? Japanese specifications and some other languages. Another like guide, how to use it, I guess. Another guide, reference guide, okay, and a help guide. I think this one might help to understand how this camera works. So let's put this aside. I think we're finally coming to the camera. So have a look in the box. There's the camera. Here we have the like power cable, the charging cable, I think. And okay, it's the UK version. So it comes with a UK version, I think it's UK, with a European, Spanish, German, whatever version. The thing I need, the one I need. Okay, what do we have here? I think it's probably a battery or something. Yeah, it's a battery pack. It says battery pack. Some plastic thingy. What's this? Safety mark, whatever. Okay, yeah, it's a charger. It's for charging. Okay. So USB, yeah, it has a USB-A here, and here like this normal charging thingy. A band to hold the camera. Charging. Okay, it's mini USB charging. Mini USB to USB cable. And now we're coming to the camera. You see, nothing else in the box. It's empty. Let's open the camera. And there it is. Isn't it neat? Some space here so you can have a look at it. So now we know what's in the box. So the guy at the store said that I should charge it like the first 2 times for like 8 or 9 hours. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to try it, and then I'm going to show you the footage. Yeah, in the box below I'll put some links of the videos I watched to decide which camera to get, so you can understand the process a bit more if you want to. Yeah, let's have a closer look at the camera. I'm really no pro with the cameras, but I will learn, and so will you. That's where the battery is supposed to go. No, it's pretty easy. I have to charge it still. Yeah, the screen is pretty neat. It's an OLED screen, and you can have it like this, and then some will have it on top so that you can, how was that? Yeah, like this, so that you can watch yourself while filming yourself. That's pretty nice. Wait. And yeah, I will charge it, and then I show you some more.